Welcome to using NewOrg on your mobile device. Partners occasionally ask us if we have an app for NewOrg. Since every one of our partner organizations is slightly different in terms of the information that they collect and report on, as well as different permissions for different users, I'm going to show you how all of the functionality that you enjoy on your regular computer is accessible via your smartphone or other mobile device using the built-in internet browser. The screenshots we are seeing are from an HTC phone using the Android operating system. Apple iOS works exactly the same way. Let's start with the home screen where I tap on the internet browser option to open it. I tap to access the site menu where NewOrg is bookmarked, and then I simply tap to go there. Here is the login page that you are probably used to. By turning the phone sideways and sweeping my fingers, I can enlarge the login spaces. My phone actually remembers my username when I start typing, and then I tap Login to access the system. This is the actual screenshot of the home page in my phone, just like when you log in on your computer. By sweeping your fingers, you can enlarge the image and move around the page. Okay, let's run a report. I already tapped the Reports tab at the top of the page, and we now see the report screen that you are used to. Again, sweep to enlarge the image, and after tapping the Donors folder, I want to run the Donor Pipeline report, which is now displayed on the screen. Again, the query screen is what you are familiar with. I want to run the report with no filters, so I just tap on Find. Like on your computer, the screen reflects progress in running the report. What we are seeing is the same report that you have on your regular computer. By sweeping the screen, you can enlarge the report and easily navigate to any specific area. If you are the volunteer manager, you probably receive calls at crazy times from volunteers that want to participate in events, and they don't really care where you happen to be. Let's add a participant to an activity directly from the phone. I've tapped on the Events tab and gone to the calendar, which displays the regular Today view of your activities. I'm tapping on the Week view now, and I want to add a participant to the Habitat build on Tuesday the 16th. By tapping on the event, just like on your computer, a new window opens with the Edit Event screen. The view should look familiar, so I now tap on the Contacts tab on the top to view attendee information. I want to add Jimi Hendrix to my event, so I tap on the Contact Company field, the keyboard pops up, and I begin typing his name and the matches appear. I see his name listed as a match, and after tapping on Add, this familiar window pops up asking which events I want to add him to, and I select this event only. So you can see now that Jimmy and Fireball are both now registered for the build day with their status as pending. If you are mobile in your work like most people today, you may need to call a stakeholder from your NewOrg system. In this example, I tapped on the Contacts tab and I want to call John Beltran at his office. I sweep the screen to enlarge it, and I move to the right side where the phone numbers are displayed. With the Android system, I hold my finger on the number I want, and I just tap to copy it when the dialog box appears. The last step is opening your phone dialer, pasting the number into it, and simply making the call. I frequently use a Bluetooth headset so that I can actually be making entries into NewOrg via a secured connection while I'm speaking on the phone. Please contact our help desk if you need any additional assistance.